In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background on a Slack video call. Whether you want to hide a messy room, create a professional look, or just have some fun with different backgrounds, I'll guide you through the steps to make your Slack video calls more personalized and engaging. To get started, first make your way to Slack. You'll need to sign in by entering your email or using the convenient Google or Apple sign-in options. Once you've signed in, you have the choice of using Slack via the desktop app or directly in your browser, whichever suits your preference or current setup. Now, let's dive into setting up a video call. On the lower part of the sidebar, you'll find a section called Huddle. Click on it, and then select New Huddle. Huddles are a great way to initiate quick, impromptu meetings with your team or contacts. They're essentially call chats within Slack that can be used for audio or video calls. When you're setting up your huddle, choose the group or person you'd like to include. It's as simple as just searching their name and adding them to the chat. Once you've decided who to invite, go ahead and click Start a Huddle. Keep an eye on the bottom left of your screen. You should see a pop-up for the huddle appear near your profile photo. This indicates that your huddle has successfully started and you're ready to roll. Now comes the exciting part: customizing your background. Look for the ellipsis or three-dot menu. It's often a great place to start when looking for additional features or options. Click on this menu and you should see an option for Video Background. Selecting this will bring up different choices for your video call background. Take a moment to browse the available options. Slack might offer a variety of backgrounds you can use, from serene office environments to animated scenes and everything in between. Selecting an appropriate background enhances the tone of your meeting, so whether you're aiming for something formal or playful, make a choice that fits your meeting's vibe. Once you've found the perfect background, click on it and watch as it transforms your video call into a customized space that reflects your style or the mood of the moment. By following these steps, you can easily change and customize your background during Slack video calls, making them not only functional, but also enjoyable and engaging. Now you're all set to conquer your meetings with a new flair and confidence. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more tips and tricks for enhancing your digital